Hi, welcome back to Moony. Today we're going to do a super cool science experiment using milk and soap. I wonder what that could be. Let's get into it. Alright, for this experiment, you're going to need a bowl full of milk, a pipette, some ink, a plate of soap, you can't see it, but it's there, and some cotton swabs. Let's get into it. Alright, step 1, add 4 drops of ink to your milk. One, 2, 3, 4. That's so cool, it looks like a flower. Next, take your cotton swab, get some of the soap on there, and add it to the milk. Let's see what happens. Cool. So why does this happen? Well, milk is actually a mixture of a bunch of tiny white oil droplets in water. Adding some watery ink to the milk doesn't mix well because oil and water obviously don't like each other. To get the ink to mix in, well, that's where the soap comes into play, to get it moving along. Soap contains tiny molecules that have 2 different ends. One end of the molecule likes water, while the other prefers oil. And that's how the soap helps link the ink to the milk. Should we try it again? Whoa, I'm trying again, and where I put the soap, it won't do the same thing as before. That's wild. Well, there you have it. You should try this at home. It's so easy.